speaking to you today from a very quiet Temple Bat Yahm. It's actually Memorial Day. I want to begin with thank yous where I usually end. Thank you to all of our members who served in any armed forces across the country. We wouldn't be here without your sacrifice, and we really appreciate it. So on to the business. What can I say? Behind me, the Jerusalem stone is here and has been installed. As you can see, the model of the old city behind me should mirror the model of the old city inside the Sunshine Family Sanctuary. I can't tell you how beautiful this looks, and I can't wait for you to come see it in person. Besides this huge change, I'm confident that you will see that this space is no longer any of the brown wood paneling. I might miss it somewhat from a nostalgic point of view, but let me tell you how beautiful this space looks and how much bigger it looks without all that brown sort of coming in on us. So upcoming this week, mudding, taping, painting, flooring. You're going to see a lot of changes coming really quickly, and I can't wait to show them to you. But let's take a look at this space in general. So behind me, you can see the scaffolding's been put up so that we can hard lid the ceiling to offer some protection to our members when they come from the 4 or 5 times a year here that it rains. But getting into our facility safe, dry, and happy is going to be awesome. So scaffolding's up, they'll hard lid the ceiling, but let's check out the other side. I've talked to you about the Wall of Blessings before, and now we have the Jerusalem stone up that's going to support the Wall of Blessings. Again, all of our donors to this campaign that have made a donation over $10,000 will find their name on this wall. If you haven't contributed to this campaign and want to find your name on this wall, reach out. We'd be happy to put you up here. It's going to be beautiful. Come on, let's go this way. All of these 2 pillars that you see will be wrapped as well, and we'll have all of the infrastructure to run power, sound, lights, and everything, as well as something I'm excited, plugs. Plugs for anything you want. It's one of the rarest things to find in a synagogue, storage and plugs. Come on, let's go. At some point in the next 20 days, this wall will actually be completely flattened and treated so that you won't see this undulation in the wall anymore. Long walk for this next one. So I showed you the inside Jerusalem stone. We also wrapped the outside wall. Let's take a look. So here we are on the front side of the synagogue with Camelback right out here. You can see the beautiful Jerusalem stone just continues to wrap the entire outside area. You'll notice astutely that the Jerusalem stone stops here. Again, we'll have a berm that leads up basically to this point. So we will indeed only see Jerusalem stone from the bottom of the hill to the top. Next couple weeks, we'll add the 2 beautiful new olive trees that are coming in, do some landscaping and hardscaping out here, and I don't want to say that's about all, but that's about all. Great speaking with all of you. I hope this finds you safe. I hope this finds you well. I hope this finds you happy. We'll see you again soon. Thanks.